long ago, there was a man. And that man did hideous things, such as robbing, killing, and much more. That man's name is James Smith. He murders, kills, and does more than you can imagine. And then you wake up to see that your own home is burning down and you're stuck and you can't move. Now think before you die. You have 15 minutes to get out of this place before it blows and you just die. Now, I'm not consider this as a mercy killing, but you shouldn't have put one finger on my little brother's hair or head, or you shouldn't even laid a finger on anything. Well, let's see your house blow up. Are you ready? I'm out of here. Goodbye. Have a good time. And I have no idea where. Now, you know what? Might as well just shoot it.
Yeah, guys. And if we didn't go to that thing, probably you would have been in a better place. But I can't wait for the funeral.
Yeah, me too.
Many miles we walk, the many things we learn, the building of a shrine, only just to burn. That's the way it is. That's the way it is.
I feel so much stronger, but I feel so bad.